Hey everyone, Lee here. In this video I'll show you a few different ways to create multicolored 3D prints using Bambu Studio. Let's jump right in. First, open up Bambu Studio and load your model. For this example I'm using a stop sign design, which works great for demonstrating multiple colours. Next, head over to the filament section on the left hand side and choose your base colour. Since this is a stop sign, I'll set my main filament to red. Now we'll add a second colour. Click the plus button in the filament panel, select your material type and assign it a new colour, white in this case. Confirm your selection and now both colours are ready to use. With your filament set, click on the model so it's highlighted. Then go up to the top menu and select the colouring painting tool. Once you're in that mode, the colour painting tool, you'll see your available filament colours. Pick the one you want to apply. Here I'll choose white. At the bottom you'll find different painting tools. The most commonly used one is the fill tool. It looks like a paint bucket. Select that, then hover over your different parts of your model. As sections highlight, you can click to apply the selected colour. For example, you can quickly fill in the text or specific areas like the border. If you make mistakes, no problem, just use the undo button in the top left to reverse your last action. There's also another option called the height range tool, which lets you assign colours based on a specific layer height. You can rotate your view and hover over a layer to decide where a colour should begin. Click to apply the change at that level. This method can be useful, though it may take a bit of experimentation. Now, there's a second approach to multicolour printing that doesn't involve painting. Exit the painting tool and switch to the preview tab. Slice your model so you can see the layer by layer breakdown. Using the vertical layer slider, scroll through the model to find the exact height where you want a colour change to happen. Once you've found it, right click on that layer and select Change Filament. Then choose your second colour. After that, click Slice Plate again to update the preview. Now when you move the layer slider to the top, you'll see the final result with different colours applied at different heights. So as you can see, Bambu Studio gives you multiple ways to print in more than one colour, either by painting specific areas or by changing filament at certain layers. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.